Hey creators, my name is Amellia Diemer, Senior Product Manager here at Brother. And today we're going to go through all of those burning questions that you have about the new Disney launch in Artspira and Artspira AI. So today I have my friends on the social team here to read some of your questions, and we're going to get started right now.
Awesome. Question number 1, how do we update the Artspira app to see these new features?
All right, so that one, you're basically just going to go into your app store on your device. So whether you have an Android or an Apple phone, you're going to open that app store and you're going to search Artspira. So once you found the Artspira app, you'll either select the update button that will appear next to the app listing. However, sometimes that doesn't appear very quickly. So you could click on the actual app itself and then you should see that update button. It will actually probably log you out of Artspira initially. You'll log back in and you'll know that that update's complete when you see the big Disney logo on the home screen.
Which takes us to our next question. Where can I find the Disney designs in Artspira?
All right, so I'm going to pull up my iPad right here and you'll see on the home screen, we've got a lot of stuff going on, but at the very top, you're going to have your Disney logo. And once you've clicked on that Disney logo, you'll see 2 categories. So we have Disney designs for cutting machines and we have Disney designs for embroidery machines. There's a lot of different things that you can move through on the properties for Disney, right? Everything from Cars the movie to Princesses, Classic Mickey. So I really encourage you to get in there, look around, and see what your favorite next design might be.
Can I adjust the size of the Disney designs in Artspira?
So I think that's a great question. For embroidery designs, you actually can only have them the design that they've been created in. So we have, let me get back over to our embroidery area. So the Aladdin collection, for example, if we click on the Aladdin logo, you'll see the size down here underneath this fine print. So it's a size 3.78 by 0.99 inches. So that is a locked size for the embroidery designs. However, if you do have a cutting machine, you can adjust the size of the design to fit your cutting mat. So these are kind of parameters that Disney has put in place for these designs. So again, the embroidery designs, those ones you're going to want to keep the same size. The cutting machine ones, you can change the size on, but with the embroidery ones, you can at least add names or different like designs from the app to kind of embellish it a little bit more as well.
Next up, can the designs be used with print moda or sublimation?
So right now it's mostly embroidery and cutting. We don't have Disney to support the printing products, but I think that's a great suggestion and we'll have to look into it.
Are these designs available for personal use?
Yes, so we encourage you to use them for personal use, to gift friends and family, and you can go through and take a look at what we have in there.
Is there a way to filter these designs by size?
So yes, I would say in our main design categories, you can filter by the designs that you have. So if you've purchased some, or if you want to look at the categories up top here, so you kind of see at the top all the different areas. And how I got here was I was in the embroidery designs on the home screen, and then I clicked Disney. So then once I'm in that Disney area, it's going to show you your purchased Disney designs first. So this is everything that you've selected and bought in the app. And then you're going to hit filter in the upper right-hand corner. That upper right-hand corner is going to allow you to filter for membership type. It's going to allow you to filter for that embroidery frame size. So you're going to be able to see, like, I only have a 4x4. I don't want anything larger than that. Thread color number, and then of course any kind of commercial use, which the Disney unfortunately is not commercially licensed material. So
do I have to have Artspira to purchase these designs?
Yes, so you either have to have a Artspira free membership or an Artspira Plus paid membership. The 2 differences are going to be that in the free membership, you'll pay a standard price for the design, the individual design purchase. In Artspira Plus, our members actually get 30% off those Disney design costs. So free, you can still buy it. You can still enjoy the Disney designs. Paid, you're getting a little bit of a discount for being an Artspira Plus member.
Can I put these on a jump drive?
So since Artspira is a cloud-based platform, you can't remove any designs from the application. So that stands for your tablet as well as your mobile device. Basically, anything that is on the app, you can transfer wirelessly to your connected machine, but you can't remove them and put them on like a desktop or anything like that.
Can I share these designs across machines?
Yes. So as you know, there's 4 machine connections in Artspira. You can delete those machines and add new machines. So if I have 2 embroidery machines, and let's just say I have a sketch machine and a SC700 combo machine, right? I can send my Disney designs to both of those machines as long as they're connected in my Artspira account.
And what are the prices for the Disney designs?
So the Disney designs vary, and I can kind of poke through here the listing for you guys. So in the embroidery tab, let's go to Baby Mickey. So you'll see a large list when you're in the Disney section. Once you've clicked on the design and you hit purchase, it's not going to automatically purchase it for you, but this is the purchase screen. So you'll be able to view the $4.99 price point. You'll be able to review what you can use the designs for and can't use the designs for, and then you can decide whether you want to purchase that design or not. So they do vary. I've seen designs from $3.99 to $6.99. So they all kind of change based on the actual design size and how much stitch there is.
So on to everything not Disney. What is Artspira AI and how do I access it?
So Artspira AI is kind of a fun little new feature that we launched yesterday. And basically when you are in your new section, which is that tab on the very bottom of your screen, you'll see a new feature at the top. This says Artspira AI, and you'll notice there's a crown icon next to it. Those crown icons signify what is an Artspira Plus feature or design. So this particular feature is for Artspira Plus members. And just so everybody knows, we do have a 30-day free trial to Artspira Plus. So if you're currently never tried Artspira Plus, I encourage you to get in there. It's 30 days, no cost to you, and you can play around with some of the more advanced features in the application. So once we're in Artspira AI, you'll see a couple different filters. So there's around 7, and each one supports different product types. So you'll see the little gray machines in the bottom right-hand corner, and that's going to tell you which filter this will work with. So most of them work with our embroidery machines, our cutting machines, and our printing machines. However, there are 2 or 3 that work with printing only. So I'm going to just pop into crayon, which is a filter that I really enjoy. And I'm going to choose a photo from my camera roll. And we're going to watch this kind of change. So here's my image. This is a picture of me on the beach with my niece. And we have, a lot of stuff going on, right? There's sand, there's all of the sky. And when we hit convert, it's going to take some time to change that image. So it's going to be really natural to see that like progress bar sort of moving. And it will vary depending on the type of photo you have. If it's a very complex photo, it will take a little bit more time. But for the most part, it shouldn't take too much time. And then you'll have a really fun kind of characterized photo that you can either print with sublimation or your print moda, or of course, when you're selecting those embroidery design types or cutting, you can embroider them or cut them. So really fun stuff for the Artspira AI. And the last thing that I'll add for this feature is that you'll start to see our Artspira AI projects in the bottom here. So we have our first one in this embroidery art frame, and we're going to continue to add these. So these are just ideas of how you can use Artspira AI in your daily crafting activities. So again, encouraging you to just come in there, check out, join the free trial if you haven't opted in for that yet, and just play around with the feature and let us know what you think.
And the last question, is it available on the free version?
So again, the Artspira AI is a paid feature, and how we know that is that those crowns that we're seeing on the right-hand side of the screen for Artspira AI and image to embroidery, that just means it's an Artspira Plus feature. You can still view the features so that you know kind of what you're getting into in the free version, but for you to actually execute the feature by transferring it to your machine, that is that paid feature level. So you would want to join us on Artspira Plus for that. All right. Thank you so much for everybody tuning in. That is all the questions we have for you today. Please continue to stay in touch with our Brother Crafts and our Brother Sews channels. And as always, feel free to comment and let us know what you guys want to hear about next. Thanks so much.